Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. This is Dharmveer Singh, your English teacher. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today, we will read English Reader. In earlier video, we have discussed chapter number 1. Now, we will discuss second chapter, that is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Okay. Watch this video very carefully because in the end of this video, I will give you a small assignment based on which you will be evaluated. Dear student, the name of this chapter is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This is second chapter from English Reader. This is a story of girl named Snow White. Her mother died and his father married another woman. She was very cruel and bitch. Bitch means a bad woman. She tried to kill the Snow White. Now let us find why she tried to kill Snow White and who's Snow White. So let's begin, dear student. Once upon a time there was a king and a queen. A beautiful king gave a birth to a daughter. The baby girl was very beautiful. The baby girl was very beautiful and she had skin as white as snow. So she named Snow White. Her skin was like white snow, that's why name given to her is Snow White. Unfortunately, dear student, after a few years the queen died. Then the king married again. The new queen was beautiful but very proud and jealous. She was in fact a bitch, which means a bad woman. But that queen had a magical mirror. She stood before the mirror and asked it, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of all?" And the mirror replied, "You are the fairest of all." She is having a magical mirror. A magical used to give her answers every day. But one day what happened, student, is as usual, the queen asked the mirror, "Who is the fairest to all?" But every day the mirror gave the fairest, that queen, "You are fairest." But that day, to a horror, the mirror answered, "Snow White is the fairest of the all." Her daughter, okay. What mirror replied? "Snow White is fairest to all." The queen was no mad and fury that she called huntsman. She decided to kill the Snow White out of jealous. How could the mirror call her a beautiful than her? Okay, so she asked the hunterman to bring her heart to prove that she was dead. As a proof, she asked hunterman to present her heart in front of her to prove that she was dead. The next day, the hunterman bent to kill Snow White, but her innocence and beauty rose pity in the heart. When the hunterman saw the Snow White, dear students, she can't kill her and ran, and he told that you run from here at the same place, safe place. Sorry, never come back to the palace, or queen will kill you. She warned her. He warned her that you can run away from here, otherwise the queen will kill her. The huntsman killed a fawn and took its heart to queen. The queen was very happy. Dear students, as queen order huntsman that he have to brought the heart of Snow White, that's why he killed the fawn and took its heart to queens to show as a proof that Snow White was killed. Okay, Snow White was left alone in the woods. She kept wandering here and there. She was very afraid. Last, she came the pretty little cottage. At the last, she was looking here and there and just watching to stay where could stay. Snow White opened the door of the cottage and bent inside. She saw the cottage and bent inside. What she saw? By surprise, there were 7 small beds inside the cottage. There were 7 small beds inside the cottage, and she was exhausted. She joined all the 7 beds and lay down on them. As she was tired, she joined the little beds and slept. She fell fast asleep. The cottage belonged to 7 dwarfs. Dwarfs means, dear students, a short person with magical power, a person who is having a magical powers. Okay. The cottage belonged to 7 dwarfs. When they returned, they all were amazed to find Snow White sleeping on their beds. The next morning, when Snow White woke up, she found the 7 dwarfs standing around her bed. They asked, "Who are you?" They asked, "How do you come here?" As dear students, if somebody enter in your home without your information, you could also ask, "Who are you? Where are from you?" They're surprised, na? Then Snow White told them that all her jealous and evil stepmother, the dwarfs, felt sorry for her and asked her to stay with them in the cottage. Snow White was quite delighted. Every day in the cottage was very happy. Everybody there was happy. Snow White cooked food for the dwarfs. She looked after them very well. They all were very happy. Dear students, this is the chapter about a girl named Snow White. Her mother died, and the stepmother was very cruel and jealous. She thought that she is very beautiful, but she is having a magical mirror. He used to give an answer to Queen that she is very beautiful. But one day, dear students, the mirror replied that Snow White was very beautiful. That's why she became jealous of Snow White and asked Huntsman to kill her. Okay, then she the hunterman's out of his pity, he won't killed her and he let her go, and in place of her heart, she present a heart of fawn. And after that, the Snow White was entered in cottage, and there was 7 dwarfs. As you know, we earlier discussed about this story. Now what you have to do is you complete this bird meaning in your notebook. Bird meaning are given in the back of this chapter. Bitch, dwarf, jealous, furious, evil. You have to write the meaning of this in your notebook, dear students, and read this chapter once again. And after reading this chapter, if you are having any doubts, you can ask me from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and complete this homework in your classwork notebook. Reader, choose the correct options. Comprehension A, write the girl was name. You have to write the name of girl as an answer, and then complete fill in the blanks. The queen was very proud of dash, cruel or jealous. You have to fill out of options, and then true and false complete in book only. Then dear students, there are some questions are followed. You have to complete this question in your notebook. First question is, why did Snow White name so as you know, she is having face like snow, that's why. Okay. What did the new queen ask the mirror? You know which type of question she used to ask every day. Write down this in as your answer. Then third one is, why did the new queen wish to kill Snow White? You all know why. Okay, find out from the chapter or listen this story once again. Now fourth one is, why did the dwarf do want when came know about Snow White? What did a dwarf do when they came know about the Snow White? You all know what. So complete this question and answers along with fill in the blanks and multiple choice questions in your notebook, dear students. If you are facing any problem, you can call me, you can ask me, and try to complete this homework as soon as possible in notebook. Try to purchase your books, okay, and read this chapter at home. Underline the important points, and if you are facing any problem, you are unable to understand the meaning, you can just call me. This is video, but when we interact face to face, I'll teach once again this chapter to you, dear students. So don't worry, try to read. And if you're facing any problem, once again I'm telling you, you can ask me from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and afterwards from 12 noon to 3 p.m. you have to post your answers in WhatsApp group. Thank you dear student for watching this. Thank you.